make you completely dehydrated. Oh my god, what such a hot weather. There you have the tornado. The branches of the trees are also actually banging on our caravan. Why we are moving now? We don't have the AC inside the caravan. And again another queue.
With passport? Yeah, well, ID.
ID, no? Ay, Supriya. ¿Cómo? Supriya. Maria. Ahoy Gadikasa. Welcome back to my channel, Gadikasa channel. We are here again with our new video. As you know, we are at Portugal in our caravan at the Boom Festival, and this is my view right now. There are hundreds of caravans around me, and we are here since yesterday. As you may already be knowing, if in case you haven't seen my last video, please I recommend you to please go ahead and check that video and give me the comments and let me know if you were aware about the Boom Festival that happens every 2 years in Portugal. So according to yesterday, they said that we would be leaving by 6 a.m. in the morning, and everybody was waiting. It's already 10:30 in the morning, so around like 12, 1 o'clock we would be heading, and it is a half an hour drive till there. And it's amazing to see so many people here, and it is so damn sunny. I would highly recommend you to bring a lot of water when you come to the Boom Festival, because this is going to make you completely dehydrated, because it's 45 degrees right now, and at night it is going to be chilly. So please do bring your mattress, and if in case you are coming in the van and we are more people, but not like our caravan, which is such huge one. So if you're coming, please do bring blankets and some warm clothes for the night, because it gets chilly. Alright, I'm gonna get down because I'm actually right now at my caravan's roof, and I'm not supposed to be here for so very long. I just come upstairs only to clean the panels. You can see that how dusty they are still. I've just cleaned them, but they're so dusty. These are my neighbors. You can see people are resting in here like this. Over there people are sitting, and yesterday night it was very amazing because people were playing stuff over that side. And we are at 1 p.m. already here, Portugal time. People are now leaving to the Boomland. You see them moving. They're gonna leave from there, take a whole turn, and from circling like this, and this is the whole lot that is going to go at the last. So good luck to them. Actually, at least I still arrived little early, and I'm gonna navigate literally through between the caravans. Caravan, finally I found it. Oh my god, what such a hot weather. It's fucking 35 degrees. I can't really wear the hair. I'm gonna put this. This is a jurape given by one of my friend here in Spain, and this is so beautiful if you could see this. And there's a proper trick to put this like this, and then you just roll it down. Dun, dun, and you're set. Thank God. I mean, I have so many of these and I can use them finally in the festival, and I'm very happy because there are different colors, different styles. And I'm gonna first wash the dishes because we are hungry and we don't know how long are they going to take in order to take out all the caravans. So by the time they reach to us, we shouldn't be in between eating. So I think I'm just gonna quickly wash the dishes, and then we are going to make the food and have something before they call our names to leave this place. To keep yourself hydrated, you need to have a lot of limca. Here it is named as Aquarius, and you need to have it chilled. Unfortunately, I don't have it chilled because I forgot to keep it in the fridge, but please make sure that you keep it in the fridge because it is very much required. And I completely forgot to tell you that these pins are made by Indira pins. If in case you like to have these pins, please contact Indira Bun. I'm gonna leave her website link down in the captions and as well in the description. You can just simply say that you saw the pins on Gadi Casa channel and she will know who I am. Do check out her collection. I highly recommend because she has beautiful, and this is her own, these all are her own designs. They have their own workshop where they make, they think of the design, and each design is made with a lot of precision and a lot of efforts. So please do check out and do let me know how do you find their collection. Right there in the comments below.
Tenemos macarrones, ¿no?
Sí, ¿qué compraste tú?
Vamos a hacer macarrones en lugar de espagueti.
Como quieras. This is my favorite exercise. What I do is I take out the garlic, complete garlic, and I just peel it off and keep all its cloves separately in another pouch, which is basically this one. It's a net pouch which comes, so I keep on adding in here so it is easy for us to pick up easily and cook quickly. See? It does take a little bit of time to put it this way, but yeah, it is way well sorted. And see how many are they. Now you will feel that it won't fit inside, but yes, they will fit inside. You do it this way and they get inside. Just when we were about to eat, there you have the tornado. Oh my goodness. Voy cruzando el río, sabes que te quiero. No hay mucho dinero, lo he pasado mal, lo he pasado mal.
Cuando aquí ya no hay río y el polvo es tan alto que no veo un carajo. Yo tengo tono y tengo brío. Todo es mejor cuando hay un amigo.
¿Qué es la Supri?
Esperaré en el Boom Festival. Todo colocado.
De 2025.
Con la comida y los macarrones que nos han pillado.
Aquí están los macarrones de carne picada que no olvidamos hoy con las especias indias. How the roads are there, the branches of the trees are also actually banging on our caravan because our caravan is so big and the roads of course are not made, so it is so difficult to drive on this. We are all the time jumpy. Please make sure when you drive in these roads you have your windows rolled up completely, else you won't be able to breathe. We are actually going through the bosque, I mean jungle. So bosque is in Spanish. Forest, yes, forest. So I thought I'll tell you that why we are moving now, because actually the Boomland was getting prepared and that's why they had the pre-parking before entering to the Boomland. Now since like everything is prepared and they had set up something like this, you know, like the families should go first, they should occupy their space, and then the small vans should go, then the bigger vans should go, and then they could allocate. And there are buses coming from the different airports who are basically not coming in their cars and the vans. So people who are coming from abroad, not renting anything, any vehicle, they are renting the Boom Festival's own buses. You can buy the tickets on their website. They are going to pick you up from there, from the specific airport, and the ride could be depending on from where you pay. You know, you are being paid. So there are people who are coming from Madrid. From Madrid till here is about like 5 hours. Right, while we enter in the Boomland, how it is decorated, I'm very excited to see. Are we excited to see how it is going to be?
And cool. Really cool.
At least we are able to use the AC here because we don't have the AC inside the Caravan. So we are enjoying the AC here because it is so fucking
But
damp.
look, they have particles off.
Dust, right? Yeah. You have to put this on, no?
No, this one.
So this one. So because it entered earlier, so it is circulating here now. Yeah. Outside it is like what, 35 degrees right now, and
44.1.
no, sorry, 44.1 degrees outside. So we are literally dehydrated here, and just waiting to reach there and make some sangria and enjoy a little bit of fresquitos. Thank God we are not driving at night here. Look at the roads on the sides and they are literally lit up. We hardly have any visibility over here. It's literally, we cannot see anything as this is such a disaster, man. So by the time we are actually reaching to the main Boomland, we are stopping again. And there we go. So the route is expected to be 30 minutes, starting from the Senhora de Almortão. and my husband is hungry. I was thinking to do the same. So the route was supposed to be 30 minutes, starting from Senhora de Almortão till the Boomland, which is basically Ilana Anova. After 30 minutes, finally we have moved a little bit, and let's see how far we have to go and if we have to still stay in a queue, because this is what is been told to us, that there will be a long queue with probably of 12 hours. So we are going to see whether it is true or not, and we are going to keep you updated. There was just one stop by the police and there is another which is coming right now. You can see here. And they are stopping us. Okay, they didn't stop us, so they just checked our band so that we are entering actually in the Boomland only. In last 2.5 hours, we have moved approximately what, 6 kilometers around, and we are stopping for like about 20-30 minutes minimum, and we are stopping for no good reason. We don't know why we are stopping. There's no news, nobody is telling us nothing, and we have been stopping like every 15 minutes, and we are surrounded by bushes only. Now we have a little view from till where the caravan's line is, and now we understand why they say that it will take around 12 hours to get inside, literally, even after crossing the main door. And we stop again.
What are you doing?
I am making mirror to post. I mean, I have a bit.
Any challenge with the mirror?
Challenges that I'm thinking.
It's $1 mirror, no?
Yes, it was from the side shop. It was 80 cents. So I'm thinking whether to put this way or this way. I am doubtful.
But why are you doing this now?
Because I'm making use of the time of me, staying in such a long queue of 3 hours. We are already stuck here. So
you're repairing things?
Yeah, I have one more thing. And one is for
Stop repairing
kitchen.
things.
Stop
repairing.
And the mirror for a girl is so important. We have to have one mirror here. From last 5 years I don't have it. I am doubtful. Okay, there you go.
She took 1 hour and a half in sticking a mirror.
And that too, I have stuck on incorrectly. And we finally see the lake. Wonderful. And again another queue. Probably bus have left them here and they have to go inside by themselves.
Because it doesn't look like there is another road.
No, there is one road over there. It seems to be like more for their own buses and the cars and stuff, but I don't know. Not too sure. Hey boomers! We are finally at the main gate after staying away in the waiting queue for about what? 4 hours? Yeah, 4 hours. So here we have some people who are guiding us to get inside, but they are also again checking our bands which they gave us earlier, and I completely forgot to tell you about these. These are the bands which are rechargeable, through which you would be able to pay inside at any stall, and they are checking your ID cards as well. Yesterday also they checked in our ID cards and gave us this before entering in the pre-parking. Caravans right there inside, still in the queue. So I have no idea how long it is going to take. Let's hope for the best. Now is our turn. There we go.
With passport? Passport, yeah, well, ID.
ID, no? And then.
Supriya?
Yep.
Que no hay política de no cristal.
Sí, pues, cristal. Nunca me recuerdo cómo es.
No he leído nada en la web.
Han mandado 3 emails.
¿Están mandando email?
Sí,
No.
sí.
Pues no habíamos leído bien.
Pero es
Vamos a poner este.
porque hay muy riesgo de incendio.
Ah, por riesgo de incendio. Vamos a poner este comprando.
Are you sure?
Por la
Sí,
mañana.
porque es para mojito al final, ¿no? Entonces ron malo.
Vale.
Lo que me importaba más era el whisky. Este me da un poco más igual.
Vale, toma.
Perdona, pero
No, no pasa nada. No
hay
pasa
tanta
nada.
persona que atrás y
Ya lo entiendo.
decimos, no puede.
Ya lo entiendo, lo entiendo.
Now we know that why they are taking so much of time and stopping everybody. This is exactly what happened with us as well. They came, they checked the ID card, they checked the hand tag, and then they came and said, is your caravan checked inside? And we were like, yes,
They say
of
yes.
course. Of course, we can't say no. Because otherwise they are going to come and search inside. However, they cannot enter because this is our home and this is considered as our home, so they are not allowed to enter unless they have the warrant. So finally,
Or
there's
you give them permission.
oh, you give them the permission. That's correct. We were just about to leave, and then there's this guy came and he said that no crystals are allowed inside. So if you're taking any bottles that is made of crystal, you need to take that out right away and throw it right away. It's because of the danger of fire, which I don't know. I mean, I think everybody is carrying crystal somehow in some manner. But yeah, they didn't want the bottles to be inside. So what we did is we of course have carried a lot of alcohol, and we had to just pour those bottles of the alcohol in plastic bottles. But yeah, we didn't have any other option, and they are still stopping, and there's a huge crowd in front of me. We are finally entering into the caravan parking. Now there is this girl comes.
Fine.
Good.
Yourself?
Also, look
Great.
Yeah.
by yourselves.
Yes.
You can follow this van over here. Okay? And let's go to Park B.
Park B.
B.
It's better.
This is better?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Yes. Not this. No. You sure? Yeah.
Over there. This is the caravan park 2 parking area B, sorry, not the 2. See, there it is. The service area. The service area of the washrooms. Yeah, perfect, yeah. And we are going on the mountain. So finally we have found one place to park, and I think this is the one. Yeah. Finally we have got our spot because it is giving direct sun to our fridge, so we are going to put the awning so that it gives less. And hello.
Como está? Tudo bem?
Bien, yeah.
From Espanha?
Português?
Português.
Push starts. Okay. Hi. Hola.
Hola, ¿qué tal?
Muy bien. ¿Cómo estáis vosotros? Ay, Supriya.
¿Cómo?
Supriya.
María.
Maria. Next.
Es español.
Yo soy India.
Yeah.
Hija de Barcelona.
Oh, my favorite thing.
English is fine. We all
English, Spanish, whatever, yeah. It's fine.
It's your first time here.
Yeah. Yeah, first time,
The
yeah.
first one is always the best.
yeah.
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 It's special.
And it's always the same 5 hours.
Yeah.
The queue and the line and so on.
Sometimes
We
worse.
had it before, very worse.
Não consigo. Tens mais horas de tirar aqui.
Really?
Make side.
It's hard to get in.
Puxas isso para o lado direito.
My God.
5 hours, man.
This is our parking area that I have not been able to show you so far because we were trying to set up the caravan, but yeah, you can see that there are so many caravans and we are in the park B. Alright, so we have done already our setup and we have already made friends with our neighbors, and we have just found ourselves this corner place so that we are able to find a flat surface, which was very difficult. And then right now we have tried to insulate the front area because we have 2 small fridges, camping fridges, which needs little cooling because it is getting very hot in the day, so it's not easy that we get a chilled water here. So it's the reason that we are trying to just cover it all. And we have also covered the sky roof as well so that there's no sun coming inside. And still caravans are coming, but I think I'm gonna finish this video right here because I can't tell you that I'm just so very tired and I'm gonna have a little rest now. Stay tuned to my next video, and if you like the Boom Festival, keep watching the next video as well. And let me just remind you, you have a subscribe button. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and share with your friends and family, and like this video, and take care of yourself. I love you all. Mwah. And hasta la vista.